Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. In this video I'll show you how to clear cache automatically. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter battery and device care. Go to auto optimization and enable restart when needed. This function restarts your tablet automatically to keep it in best condition. Automatic restarts will only happen when you're not using your tablet. Thanks to this function also your apps will reset, which will clear the cache. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.